Hi, this is West Coast Custom Concrete with another video. Today we're doing a concrete slab for a greenhouse on the existing slab. We're just going to saw cut it right here because the greenhouse is going to be 14 by 13, but the slab's going to be, I think, 18 by 14. Yeah, so we're going to just demo it out. We saw cut it up along over there. We're going to demo it out with a jackhammer because my equipment's on another job. So there's only 3 yards. So Javier, Milton, and I just they did most of it, jackhammered it. I brought my trailer and backed it all the way up into the other side of the building. There I am. I'm jackhammering some two of it out right up there for till the saw cut. We were gonna demo it and set it up and pour it today, but my radiator popped overheated, and I had to get it fixed, so I couldn't go get my pump. So we just demoed it and set it up, and I dealt with my truck later. But we jackhammered all this out. What we did is we're going to crown the center of it so the greenhouse is higher, and then it slopes off about a foot and a half around the perimeter, so no water could get into it. Here I am just sledgehammering these pieces a little small. I'm going to throw them in my trailer. I didn't bring any equipment today. This was just manual labor, but it's only 3 yards. It's a good workout. So what the heck? There's my trailer. I backed it up over the curb and just backed it in there, just threw it in there. The dump's about a mile away, the crushing plant. They crush it up there and make base out of it. Here we got it set up. We put the rebar 24 on center. There's only one form. We're going to pour to the existing, which is always tough for elevations, but we're going to crown it up and slope it down to it, like I said, so no amount of water could go uphill. Here I am. I went and got my pump, setting it up, waiting for the truck. Putting the 90 on here. Gonna try and pump this at about a 5.5. Here I am rolling the hose out. It's not a very far run. It's only about 125 feet. So that's 250 footers in a 25. I'm just hooking it up here. That's a 2-inch hose to a 2-inch hose. Truck's here. I'm gonna run about a 5.5 inch slump. I mean, it's cloudy out, but it's just 3 yards. It'll blow up pretty good. We wet the ground so it'll bleed right. And there's the overhead board I put right there, so I'm going to crown it and slope it down to it. I'm going to go to the top of that board and the top of the board to the left, and then slope it down to the right where the board is, going to the other building, and then in front, I crowned it. So no amount of water or rain can ever get in this greenhouse. Here I am. We're going to wash the pump out. We drug the hose back. There's Joe, the driver for Gary Bell, really cool guy. He helped me pull the hose back because it was just me and Javier helped me too. We're gonna wash this out and wait on this slab we pumped it at 8 o'clock, so we'll probably be out of here about 12:30, I'd say. Overcast day. I didn't put any accelerants or nothing in it either. I just poured it 3,000 straight cement, no fly ash, so it'll cure even. I pour everything with no fly ash, straight cement. You can see where it slopes down to the right there. Same thing in the front. Walk behind edge or make it clean on the outer edge. It's nice when you have such a nice customer and the job comes out perfect. I was really happy with it. We put a joint up the middle and one down the across too. Here's Javier trailing. Your jobs are only going to be as good as the guys you bring and the finishers you have, and as you can see with him out there, it's gonna look pristine. It's nice to have your own pump too, because you know what slump. You're not gonna make a mess, splash all over, or plug up or have any issues. And I pump it and get the mud the way I want it. I'll pump it as stiff as I want or wet as I want, depending on what I'm doing. Throw a nice broom on this, just do it on there. There's very little going to be exposed to this slab once he puts the greenhouse on it. He's going to have a nice operation. There it is. Thank you very much for watching my video. Like and subscribe.